Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to change your flag in chess.com. If you want to rep a different flag for some reason, maybe you're moving to another country and you want to rep that country's flag, it's actually quite simple. Log into your chess.com account, and once you are in your home screen, you want to click on the cogwheel or settings icon on the lower left hand of the screen like so, and this pop-up will appear. You want to click on all settings like so to bring you to the settings page. Now, under settings page, you want to click on profile like so. And as you can see here, I have an American flag here because if you hover your mouse here, it's going to say United States because that is where I have put, or I have set my country. So how do you change this? It's actually quite easy. You want to scroll down to the very bottom until you see country under details, right? As you can see, it says United States. If I want to change my flag, I need to change this. So again, you can see there's an American flag there, and I'm going to change my country to say let's go with Thailand, right? Thailand, there you go. And then I want to click on save. Once a check mark appears, if I scroll to the very top, it's going to be changed to the Thailand flag. So that is how you change your flag in chess.com. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.